Hey there! This is a mini workout especially designed for dancers who would like to work on their posture and their frame. Because often in dance classes we talk about maintaining a nice upright posture or having a good frame while we're dancing, building up stretch. But we hardly ever talk about what muscles we need to actually do this. And we need quite a lot of muscles in the back between the shoulder blades and also here at the top of the arm to create stretch, to hold our posture. And if you've never worked on these muscles or if they're not very developed for some reason, well, then it's very hard to have a posture and a good posture and a frame in dancing. So doing this mini workout daily or regularly, or find other workouts that achieve the same result, will really help you create some muscle strength in the back to actually allow you to work on frame and posture. So it's a follow along. So just, make sure you have something, you're wearing something to be able to move in, and let's go. Let's start with the first exercise, the chin pull in. Make sure you stand up straight, tummy tucked in, no chest flares, and put your fingers on your chin, and we're gonna draw back your chin, creating a lovely double chin and bringing it back to normal again. So we pull in our chin and we bring it back to normal. We're gonna do this 50 times, and it should create a nice, lovely feeling in the back of your neck. If at any point anything of what we're doing hurts, please stop. That is not the intention of this little workout. Let's reset, and now it's the shoulders that we're gonna pull back. So make sure you stand up straight and use the muscles in between your shoulder blades to pull back your shoulders. Remind you, tuck your belly in and make sure that your chest, your rib cage, is not opening up, so not flaring out. The muscles in between your shoulder blades is the muscles that we use when we create stretch, for example. It's also the muscle that helps us in having a good straight upright posture. Now spread your arms out wide, tuck in your belly and tilt your pelvis. So you have a very nice straight back. And also make sure again that your chest is not flaring. Now spread your arms and look left and right, 10 times on the left, 10 times on the right side. This should also create a nice stretchy feeling in your neck. It should not hurt. If it hurts, either move less far or stop making this movement. Let's shake that out for a second. You're gonna need it. Next up is the cactus arms. So bring your arms up in a 90-degree angle. Now first, we're gonna open and close our arms. Again, try to tuck in your belly, keep your pelvis tilted, and try not to flare your chest. So opening up your rib cage when you open up. We're again gonna do this 15 times. If you feel this in your shoulder muscles, that is very normal. And again, stop if it starts to hurt. You can always build up to the 15 times that we're doing it. Try not to pull up your shoulders while doing this because that will hurt extra. Let's shake that out again. You will need this little reset before we move on with more cactus arms. So again, bring your arms in a cactus position. And this time we're gonna move them up and down. You could also use a wall for this exercise. So really make sure that you have as much contact with the wall as possible. Not only your upper back, but also your lower back and your head and your neck. Bring it all towards the wall as much as possible, and then move your arms up and down, sliding against the wall. It's nice if you actually have wall space. This closet is not really doing it for me, so I'm going to do it back in a freestance position. All right, shake that out again because really it is quite tough and I am feeling this too. We're now gonna tilt the pelvis. A lot of people have a little bit of a hollow back while they're dancing. me included. This is always something I have to pay attention to while dancing. So we're gonna tilt our pelvis into a straight position underneath our body, and then we're gonna relax it again. So it's sort of you're bringing your pelvis forward and relax. And with relaxing, in my case, it comes a little bit more backwards and you see a little bit more of a hollow back. So forwards and back, forward and back. Tuck your tummy in while doing this. Our last exercise should feel quite nice because it is a lovely stretch, though you might feel a little bit tired in the arms. We're gonna round our back and opening up. This exercise is mostly for the upper back. We're gonna put our hands behind our head and we're gonna round our upper back and moving our elbows forward to a closed position and then opening up again. Again, something to pay attention to is to have your pelvis tucked in, belly tucked in, and also try not to flare your rib cage open. So try to have that chest really aligned with your lower body. We're gonna do this 15 times and then we're done. Almost there. Great, well done. So now stretch it out, shake it out, move however feels nice to you at this moment to release some tension in your muscles. And this was it. I hope you enjoyed it.